So I'm standing in front of the green room, and in case you don't know what the green room is that spot where commentators kill time, and when they're not on air, this is the place to be. You get hold of all the munchies, all the chocolates, all the lovely, coffee, tea at offer. So in case you haven't seen what it's like, let's go and find out what everyone is up to. Right, so we're in the green room, and I can tell you that this is our coffee and biscuit station, and we have the lovely Ehsan with us, who makes us amazing coffee and tea, and basically keeps us very entertained. Ehsan, thank you so much. हमारा बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं ये, और जो 1 करोड़ यहाँ पे आपको बिस्किट्स नज़र आ रहे हैं, ये एक कोने में एक इंडिविजुअल हैं जिन्होंने ख़त्म कर लिया. He's finished all the biscuits in the green room, and now he's moved on towards the lunch. This is what athletes do. Yeah.
Because they rush us in the morning.
Yeah.
Come here.
At 7:25.
And then we don't get breakfast. So what we gotta do is come here and eat.
And eat lots of.
We don't get anything else.
Eat lots of crap. No, I'm just joking. But my point is that we eat a lot here, and we love to eat. And is it true, Polly, that when athletes retire, they don't really keep a check on their diet, having a bit of pasta, chicken, Alfredo pasta?
We try. So sometimes we won't even go and have dinner because we eat so much during the day.
Yeah.
Maybe go and hit the gym
Yeah.
just to get rid of everything we eat.
Yeah.
Because when you're sitting there watching, you just keep looking, and it's just staring at you. The temptation to eat is difficult.
Okay, tell me, who's been the most annoying individual on this trip so far? No one.
So,
All right. This is not the answer that I was looking for. Everyone's really looked after him. He's making sure that he comes back to Pakistan. He's absolutely great. I mean, they were both very nasty when they were bowling, but here I can tell you that they're absolutely angelic, and that's why we have them here to entertain you on air and entertain all of us. एक सेकंड वो मिल गए हमें तलाशे गुमशुदा, जिनका नाम है बाजिद खान. क्योंकि वो आते तो हैं लेकिन वो नज़र नहीं आते. कहाँ जाते हैं, किससे मिलते हैं, आई थिंक इन्हीं से पूछ लेते हैं. बाजिद, आप वी वांट टू नो दैट ये जो आपकी डिसअपीयरिंग एक्ट्स होती हैं व्हेन यू आर एट वर्क, ये वेयर डू यू गो, हु डू यू गो टू मीट?
ये बता दूंगा तो डिसअपीयरिंग एक्ट्स नहीं रहेंगी ना.
हाँ, यही. नोबडी सीज हिम. He is like sometimes invisible. He's just somewhere in the air because you're always looking for him. आते ज़रूर है, आप लोग सुनते हैं उनको commentary में, but you can't really spot him. So I'm really curious. I mean, the Sherlock Holmes in me wants to know.
बस इतना है कि मुझे सारे स्टेडियम का पता है. पिंडी हो, लाहौर हो, कराची हो, मुल्तान.
He's right. Just because he's not here doesn't mean that he doesn't know anything. He knows everything. This is the thing about Bazil Khan. He knows everything. So this is what we had for you in the green room, but I think there's someone sitting outside as well. Let's find out who it is. तो हम ढूंढ ही रहे थे कि ये कहाँ पे छुपे हुए हैं, और ये यहाँ पे छुपे हुए हैं. This is basically Ramiz Raja's corner. He loves to sit on the balcony with a cup of tea, really enjoying Test cricket. I mean, this is your sort of spot, isn't it?
It is. I'm strategically placed because I'm looking at the play through this gap.
Oh wow!
So it gives me a lot better focus, and obviously with a cup of tea, nothing can be better than this. The weather is quieting down a bit compared to Lahore.
Yeah.
It's much better weather.
Absolutely, it's always cooler in Pindi. But we love this balcony, this Pindi,
Yeah.
Ramiz. भाई यहाँ पे मतलब पिंडी की
10,000 यहाँ पे सेल्फियाँ ली हुई हैं. कमाल है. ये balcony आपके नाम पे होनी चाहिए.
नहीं, हम full फायदा उठाते हैं इस balcony का. We take a lot of pictures here. But yeah, I mean, this is his spot. Like, we talk about different spots of different commentators. He loves to just be sort of quiet on his own. He loves to be there as well. But एक वो होता है ना, आपको मतलब एक सुकून मिलता है यहाँ पे आके कि मतलब कोई ज़्यादा
सुकून ज़्यादा इसलिए भी मिल रहा है क्योंकि पाकिस्तान स्पॉट ऑफ बॉर्डर में नहीं.
Right.
पाकिस्तान
पाकिस्तान
अभी तक.
हाँ, नहीं, ये बात उनकी बिल्कुल ठीक है. Not on the spot of bother. 1-0 up in the series, and yeah, it's just a great place to sort of watch Test cricket. and उस तरह से देखो crowd भी, by the way, आया हुआ है, ऐसा आ रहा है. But it's good to see that the crowd is coming in, especially Pindi में. I would have to say कि crowd हमेशा ही जो है पिंडी में बहुत अच्छा होता है. Well, that's pretty much all that we have for you from the green room. This is what we get up to. We eat a lot, we talk a lot, and we definitely exchange some stories, and a joke or two is always welcome in this green room. So I hope you guys enjoyed the chronicles of this green room here, and we'll keep you guys posted with regards to what happens behind the scenes.